What's going on, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we have a 2017 Ram 2500 Tradesman. This one is a gas 6.4 liter Hemi. It's chrome bumpers, chrome grille, chrome everything, if you will. Tires are at about, I don't know, 50%, 30%, somewhere between there. Chrome clad wheels. Got a little rust right here on this side for the running board. The other side didn't have it. Turning signal tow mirrors. Old moose ear look. Power windows, locks, mirrors, manual cloth premium seating. Your center console. This thing folds up to a full seat with a lap belt. Got your storage unit storage area over here with your glove box. A lot of storage with your four-wheel drive, manual four-wheel drive here. 5 different auxiliary options. So maybe you're going to put a plow on this thing, you never know. Climate control, Bluetooth radio, cruise control, and different buttons for your gauge cluster here. Let's look in the back seat. It's built for work, guys. This isn't a luxury vehicle. It's a work truck. Storage here. We got Ram boxes here, old style, removable. Plenty of storage area. Pretty simple back seat, but spacious. Spray-in bed liner. 5th wheel. Tow package. I mean gooseneck, sorry. Gooseneck prep, not 5th wheel. Chrome bumpers, dual exhaust. Set up to tow, like I said. 4-pin, 7-pin. Whatever hookup you need, we got it. Tailgate does lock. Again, there's spray-in bed liner. If you like what you see here today, stop in or give me a call, 937-778-0830. I'm Nate. Be great and buy Sherry. Thanks, guys.